which is the same sister where I say, anyway you see Ladysaw, you see me. So basically, anyway you see Ladysaw, you see the thief. See me? I never go in an auntie bag, never go jar excess or money. No time in a thief, nothing from that the woman there. See me? And the same one where she I talk about anyway you see Ladysaw, you see she. At the half breed, when the family are cause a bag of problem. She no want to see nobody around auntie, and anybody come around auntie, she fight them out. So she alone can stay around her for control her. See me? Last time my brother that I watch and him go to school, and I come down here and I easy back and I did go to school at town and where they are easy. This same woman and people as God liberty room where me in where she did and the safe still under the bed. And me no know no code for that they safe there and she come take out her gun, pointing at my face. And I tell her take her gun out of my face. Take her gun out of my face. And my brother come and I say, take your gun out of my face. And same time, she stuff it in her head and the two of them start wrestling. I say, nah man, this look like she out to do something because people will know her. That is how she stay. Evil. She try to put her in a trouble and then take herself out of trouble, Virgin, because she's an Uber worker. That's how she stay. You see me? She try to lock her up a prison for what? Nothing. I say, me take her gun out of her safe to go shoot people. Lie the woman I tell me, I know her code for her safe. But that watch here and this woman does in my space. Every minute, before them trouble me, them put them phone on record, trouble me think them, so when me start them record it and send go get Marian, and Marian tell me, say, oh, come out of my house. Cause people, I'm telling you this, I hear that more than 500 times. From the time I live with her till now, I still hear that, say, come out of my house, come out of my house, you see me? But that town, a Kingston, in the house, see me? That before all of the things them go up on internet, I say, our brother I bring underage in our house and all them things there. Me did at one point and see him bring a little short girl come there. Little bit taller than his son. I'm a video it. Send go give Marian and tell her, I say, yo, your brother lock up in the room with an underage. And the video, the little girl come on the balcony and talk about, oh, him see a film house and a film car and him an artist. I talk to her little friend on the phone and him an artist. But him have one son. And our friend I say, oh, are you a stepmother? You see me? And same time I say, oh, one artist in this house and a lady saw any other artist, a two artist. You see me? And what? Me send the video come give her and show her say the man have a little underage in her house. And you hear what she tell me? She said she can put her life on it, say. Our brother not fucking the little girl. The same little girl where you hear them a same fuck. Up in the hill, because me no live up there. Country me there because she give me evict notice. With my 1 month old daughter we just born. Because from my daughter in the belly she tell me say, oh, me have to go left for her place cards. She only did say me could have stayed there for 1 year and she don't have no pitney for herself. So therefore we need to come out of her house and she run me out. Me, my 1 month old daughter. My 4-year-old son, my woman and me run me out the road to please our brother. You see what I say? The same man where she buy a bike give man him thief her chest of money and gone with. See me? So the first one thief and the second one a thief. You get what I say? The third one named Precious. Me usually over her place. That before my daughter born when time my son did in her belly. And she give her 1 pot. Me a pay rent, you know, note people, me have people in place and me have to pay rent. 15,000 a month and I not even have a kitchen. Note that. In the room me have to cook. When me gone on the road, she and her daughter Simone, nasty Simone, cuss off my blouse and skirt wife. Me come see my wife out the door ball pan the bridge, me ask her what me, she say, Precious and Simone gang up on her and Precious take the pot and dash in the rubbish pan. Right? And Precious remember say she clear out Marian foreign account and Jamaican account and take out every millions out of it. And up to this day she cannot talk what she do with it. And you see them 3 names that we call? Are them 3 people that who she have around her like say them are gold, like them are the best thing ever happened to her. You get what I say? I mind my own business. Me not trouble nobody. You see, when you don't trouble them find something for you for trouble. So when you start out, them can record you. Send it go give her a foreign. So she can say, oh, come out of my house. You get what I say? And that me been go through for 13 years.